Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today we're going to be looking around this beautiful Volkswagen. It's a T5.1, a T32 180 horsepower 6-speed manual bus. So, registration is Hotel Foxtrot 15 Tango Sierra Yankee. As you can see, it's finished in a beautiful blue metallic. It's got the Sportline front end to it. Beautiful gloss accents around the fog lights, and lovely deep gloss black splitter to the front. As you can see, in absolutely fantastic condition. Do excuse the wind today. Got alloy wheels. 17-inch. Again, look at the beautiful reflection in that blue paintwork. Even though we're on a really dull day today, it's fantastic shine. Nice stainless steel sidebars. Tinted glass. The side opening window this side as well. As I said, it's a T32 180. Nice blue line. Rear parking sensors on the bottom there, which has a display on the radio as well. I'll show you that shortly. If you look down the panels there, the paintwork is absolutely stunning. No scratches or dents. Again, stainless bar. Just jump in. Two keys, remote locking. Lovely Volkswagen covers here. Embroidered VW badges. It's only covered 71,433 miles. Start her up a moment. So as you can see, there's no warning lights there at all. Radio CD. Air conditioning. 6-speed manual gearbox. You also have cruise control there as well. Hands-free telephony. Nice blue stitching to the steering wheel as well as the gear lever. We have electric windows to the front, heated mirrors, heated electric mirrors, traction control. As I said, when we put it in reverse, you can see there we have a display here, and the closer you get something, it comes up on the screen. So it's a really nice feature as well, partly due to the fact there's a high line. A really, really nice Volkswagen this is. Nice diamond stitch seat covers there. If you like any more details, please give us a call, 01460 312 923. It's also worth noting this vehicle has just had a new cam belt, water pump and tensioners all done. It comes with 12 months AA breakdown cover, as we are an AA dealer promise dealer. All ready to drive away and enjoy. As I said, any more details, please give us a call, 01460 312 923. Thanks for watching.